Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 9 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. And once your content is open and visible, hold power key and volume down at the same time. This will give you a sound along with the little image of your captured screenshot with two options, scroll or send. Now the first one, the scroll, which was grayed out for me, can be utilized when you have content that it can be scrolled down. As an example, settings or Instagram are a very good options for this. So you would just press on that and the device will start scrolling down. You can stop it at any moment to prevent it from scrolling and then save it to get that longer version of a screenshot. Now, all the screenshots that it will capture over the time can be found in your gallery application, or photos as it's called right here. Permissions. Let me quickly deal with this. So as you can see, I have screenshots and two of them right now. So this is the one that I just captured, and here is one that I captured just a little bit before I recorded. So that is how you can capture a screenshot on this phone, and also where you can find those screenshots. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.